Today I rise to address a grave injustice that undermines democracy and silences dissent, not only in Pakistan but the ripple effects felt here in Australia. My constituents believe that the former Prime Minister Imran Khan was detained to block him from contesting free and fair elections. His arbitrary detention and denial of free and fair trials, as documented by the UN Working Group on Arbitrary Detention and Amnesty International, are part of a broader campaign to deny people the right to democratically elect their leaders. When Pakistanis protested this injustice, thousands were arrested. Even those abroad, including Australians of Pakistani heritage, were targeted through transnational repression. Threats to their families back home, surveillance and intimidation, all tools of control used by the military